Hello guys, welcome back to Cityside GK YouTube channel. We're here today with just a bit of an update on the Bramley Moore site. I've been in touch today with some of Everton Football Club. There was rumours flying around regarding midweek flying with the drone in and around the site. There's been people that have been flying the drones over the site and too close to the site. In fact, Darren, who I spoke to, said there was an incident where someone actually crashed a drone into one of the cranes. Side note, that was not me. So I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update on what that means for my coverage of the Bramley Moore dock site. So we are limited to a Sunday filming with the drone. So we're just going to be updating maybe Sunday, posting it maybe Sunday or Monday each week. Maybe some weeks there may be weather that's putting a stop to that. So the updates might not be as regular as we might like. So we're just going to have to see how it goes and, you know, take it from there. When I was speaking to Darren from Everton, he said there's a WhatsApp group that I'll get added to you know, keep us up to date with what's going on. The lift and the roof truss later on this month, weather depending. So obviously they don't want drones flying around when that happens, basically. It said that the drones are distracting the crane operators, which obviously, you know, can be dangerous if you're operating heavy machinery. So, you know, that is understandable. I haven't really gone down the road of like aviation laws and everything. I'd rather work with Everton and Lango Rourke rather than become an obstacle. You know, as you probably know, I'm an Evertonian. I don't want to be responsible for any potential dangerous situations or delaying the progress on the ground build. So that is that's it in a nutshell, really. We're going to be limited to Sunday filming in the air. I can go down midweek with my trusty camera on the ground, you know, which we can do. Maybe that's something I can look at if I haven't been able to get a drone up on the Sunday. I don't know whether you've seen me 360 video. Sorry, I don't know whether you've seen me 360 video. You know, that could be an option. I did speak to Darren about that. You know, he couldn't see a problem with me doing that again. So that could be an option to do that on a big pole, basically. Just about get over the wall. So that is an option for us to look at if the weather isn't good. Or, you know, we could still do that as well, so you can get a grasp of how big the site is going to be. So yeah, in summary, really, no midweek drone flying anymore. Limited to Sunday mornings and evenings. So that's when I'll try and get down to get the best shots we can while the workers aren't actually working. And we will try and do some midweek stuff from the ground to, you know, to show you exactly where it's up to and where it's coming. I believe the lift thrust, the thrust for the roof lift, sorry, is around the 27th of October. So I'll be sure to try and get down with the camera with my trusty GoPro and try and get some shots of that for you. I realise, you know, a lot of my viewers are from around the world, they're not local, so I'm sure you're interested to see how that develops and how it comes on. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you in the loop of where it's up to and what's happening. So if you don't see any aerial updates maybe for a couple of weeks, the weather's been really bad, and we've just been unable to get the drone up in the air to get the footage that we would need for that. So hopefully we'll see you Sunday with some new footage of where we're up to this week. I'm actually going to the Everton game on Saturday, the Palace game, so I'm going to try and get a few shots, maybe do a little sort of blog thing on the day. Hopefully we'll get a win and be able to look forward to that. So take care of yourselves, and we'll see you very soon.